Oh, what the heck, bro? Okay, I'll just get it right here. Well, let me see what happened to ya. Your nails are looking a little bit like brownish. Let's get something. Carl again in one nail too. Probably Ariel wants one too. But
How long do I have to sit here and do belly rubs?
I got 3 more left.
3 more toes.
Yep. Now 2 more.
She's getting the treatment today. Lucy, you getting spoiled. You're so funny.
I figured that.
Is she your baby?
Yeah, why
Is
would it?
Lucy your baby?
Why would it hurt?
Bounce when she walk, then bounce when she walk, bounce when she walk, clap when she walk, clap when she walk, clap when she walk, clap when she walk. She shaking ass everywhere, ass everywhere.